In a bustling underwater town, the Mangrove family was famous for their saltwater parties. "How do you survive all this salt?" asked a curious seahorse. "It's simple," said Mr. Mangrove. "We just excrete the salt through our leaves." "That's right," added Mrs. Mangrove. "We even have a special root system to breathe underwater." "But what about the crabs?" asked the seahorse. "Oh, they just think we're a fancy hotel," chuckled Mr. Mangrove. "They check in, but they never check out." The seahorse laughed. "Guess you're the only trees with a built-in spa." Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.